Hey there, Leslie here. Well, today we're going to talk about why is it important to welcome change in the legal workplace. Well, the number one reason for that is because it's a constant. Attorneys will switch up software that they're using. They'll all use Microsoft Word, but they may switch up some billing software, some software that helps them manage cases or documents. You have to roll with that. Don't become part of the law firm or legal workplace resistance. It won't serve you well because they're going to make the changes anyway. Another change that can happen is that an attorney leaves that you're working for, and now you have no work, and you might find yourself out of a job. But when you're building a career, instead of looking at it as a 9-to-5 job, and you're learning, you're constantly learning, and you're tracking what you've learned in a notebook, okay, or on a laptop, but this all has to be private information for you. You don't put any of this on a company computer, okay? But keep all of it in a notebook so that you see how far you've come when you're in your first job. But the thing to do beforehand is to learn what the paralegal duties are for certain areas of law before you ever start applying for jobs, before you ever set foot in the law firm. You have to do this homework so that you are familiar with some of the duties. Not 100%, because they don't teach you in the legal workplace. They really don't, even if the ad says so. That's just to bring you in, okay? So don't buy into that. Learn on your own what some of those duties are and learn how to perform them. Try to understand them, even if you've never worked in a legal workplace. So when I changed jobs over the last 32 years, I would change areas of law, and this is what I would do. I would look up the duties and learn some of them. So go to paralegalcoffeetalk.com, get the playbook under Paralegal Resource Hub. Look under every tab. Yes, you have to sign up for that. That's how my platform works, but it's free. So look under every tab within my website. It's all for beginners. It will help you greatly. Look under the legal break-in tab, look under bar charts tab, look under the courses tab, look under paralegal inner circle class tab. Everywhere, just investigate it. Built it for beginner paralegals. So change is the constant. Welcome it, don't rebel against it, and then you may find yourself searching for another job down the road. I've done it 3 times in my 32-year career. Just go for it.